you will need clips for this. Of course, you need about 3 clips. Okay? So, if you have a mat, use it. Poly Burlap cut with a wood burner, 20 inches long, curved side up. I put it curved side up. This is how I do mine. I put the edges together, right? Put them together. I clip them, clip it. I try to line this up because it won't buckle up when I'm trying to fold. At first, I was so slow at folding the first petal. I was so slow trying to make it perfect, but I got a little faster. Oh, this is what you should have, right? Like a rectangle. And here's where I flip it around. And I line it up at my 10-inch mark and 30. So I can see the middle, which is 20, right? That's the middle. Put your finger right there, right in the middle. And you fold this over. Right? Like that. You can clip it here if you want to keep it flat. So you got your hands all free to fold more the other sides, right? And then you do the same thing with this side. Okay? And you line these up. You don't have to be perfect, and these don't line up because some of them I cut on 1 inch, a little over 20 inches. Okay, so you have a little house. And here's where you can pin it here too, if you want. Here and here. You can pin it everywhere, so you have your hands free. Okay, and then you can just flip this around. See all those pins? So this is the tuck-in petal, it's called. So now we need to free this over here. We need to take this off. Because you can clip it here if it's too, bulging up. Just use all your clips for the first one. And then you unpin this one and clip it. And you take this corner. I've been taking this corner the first time, right? I'm just folding it over here and over here. And it doesn't look good. Doing it the wrong way. Oh, that's not supposed to look like that, right? And then I undid it, and then I grabbed this end over here, this corner. These are not going to line up. That's all right. So I grabbed this pointy tip over here and put it right there in the middle. Just right there under this line here. Okay. And I clip it here again so that my hands will be free. And then I grab, it'll fray a little bit. I would burn it, it frays. So this is going to be under anyway. So this one, this tip over here, this one you're going to put over on this side. This way. Okay. You can grab your clip. And you have that. And then I grab this and I put it up, fold it up. So that's your little tuck in, that little thing up here. That's what that is. And here's where you clip it. You do the same thing for the other side. You can pin those if you want. You can pin this down if you want. Okay, so I grab this end over here now and put it over here. Like I said, I've been doing it the wrong way. I've been doing it this way. That's the wrong way. This one goes over here. See? That one goes over there. You can then clip that. And you can clip it here so you can free your hand. And I can grab this one and put it over here, just under that line. Just under. Okay? And I clip it And then I grab this again and put it over here, just like that. And clip this. You can clip it here. Okay. So now we put these together. Okay. And you have your tuck-in petal, it's called.